Homestead Mercedes. So today I'm going to make the loaded lentil. Oh, my stove is dirty. That's embarrassing, isn't it? I'm going to make the loaded lentil nachos. Alright, so I'll take my lentils and I'm going to do 1 cup of uncooked lentils and rinse them. Oh! There's water in there. Alright, so I have the Instapot heating up. I put just enough water, about 2 cups of water to cover my lentils. I'm going to do the no steam release. Okay, so my lentils are done and I'm going to put them in a bowl. I should have I need 2 cups of lentils. I don't know how much this makes. Ooh, it's hot. So I'm going to wash my potatoes and then I'm going to peel them. I'm going to put this back in the thing. Almond milk. One-third cup, what's the camera? Nutritional yeast. One tablespoon. One teaspoon of garlic powder. This is 1 teaspoon. I'm going to do half of that for paprika. I don't guess precision really matters that much. Not a deal. Alright, I'm going to do 1/4 of turmeric. First of all, I'm going to take 8 of these. That won't happen again. 8. Should probably use a cutting mat and not my Alright, so I'm going to put them in 350 for about 10 minutes. Now I want to take my lentils and stir in some taco seasoning mix. And I'm just going to use like part of it. Alright, I'm going to take my 13, it's about 13 by 9 pan and put all my little nachos in here. And I add the lentils, which is a lot. I'm cheating a little bit with some store-bought pico, and I don't know if I got enough because we had tacos earlier this week. Doesn't look like it. Alright, looks like I'm going to have to see if I have a tomato and whip up a little bit of pico. So don't dirty another dish. Oops. Sadie, you want a tomato? It fell on the floor. Fresh cilantro, just rinsed it off. All right, and some green onion. Now, look at my green onion. I bought some at the store and I just cut off the roots. Look how big this one is. I need to add some water to this, but I'm going to use this. Just take it and cut it here. It'll grow again. Look at that. Huge. I don't really want to cut up a whole lime, so I'm just going to squirt some lemon juice in there. Alright, that's the best quick homemade pico. See which side tastes better. Probably should have made a little more. Alright. Is the potato sauce we made. Oh, I can never get this top off this thing. There you go. All right, I'm gonna put it in the oven for 15 minutes.